Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day 23 of our 30-day AI Profit Challenge. Mark here again. Today, I'm going to reveal a game-changing method to generate high-quality leads using Deepseek and Apify. And the best part is, it's completely free. Imagine automating your lead gen and unlocking a steady stream of opportunities without spending a dime on ads. Sounds like a dream? Stick around, and I can show you how you can transform your business. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you're new here, check out the playlist and the link up above, and you can follow along completely. You can also get your free AI checklist down below so you can do this yourself, as well as if you're really looking to increase your lead gen, check out our lead gen bootcamp for exclusive training and tips. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in to this. The first thing we're going to talk about is Apify. Now, Apify, I'm on a free account. If you look down here, you can see free usage. You get $5 a month. Mine resets January 11th. Today's January 9th, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a few more. But you can simply go to Google and just type in Apify and go. And this is it here. And if you look, go into it, it's going to show you the pricing. Free, $5 of free usage. And it explains everything out there. Let's go ahead and go into the store. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to search for an actor, and we want email addresses. So we're going to go email and just hit enter. And we have Google Maps email extractor, email phone and extractor. I actually prefer this one here, and it's by Lucas Kravaca, I guess. So you click on this, and I used one today already, which is fine. You can get about 500 leads out of this every day, or not every day, every month. And that's quite a bit of leads. So I'm going to go ahead and go with roofing. Last one I did was Philadelphia, PA. And what you would do is you could go ahead and just download it. But we're going to go ahead and do a new one to show you how it works. It's going to take a little while. I'm not going to make you sit through the whole thing. Let's go New York and NY. New York, and I've set it to, as you can see, 250 terms, and then just hit start. Now this will use about $2.43, and I'll let it run, and you can see, we'll give it a moment here and I'll show you. But in the meantime, I'll come back to that. But I went ahead and opened up the other one. Here's what I ended up getting. Now, obviously, there's some emails missing. That's okay. I got phone numbers, website, city, the title of the company, and so forth. Now, what I did, I also started this one earlier as well, and I want to show you. I went ahead and went into Deepseek. I copied out those websites, and I said, please search these websites as well as external sources to find a proper email address and contact. And this is on Deepseek. You can see right over there, Deepseek, right? That's the Deepseek thing. And also it's Deepseek down here. So I went ahead and did that. And the initial result wasn't that good. Look at that. Not provided, not provided, not provided, not provided, not provided. I said, okay, you can search external sources such as this. Do not guess at them. Give me inaccurate information. I said, sure. So again, I got a couple, but then all not provided again. So I'm trying to save you some time here because you'll see why in a minute. All right, what sources did you use? And it tells me the sources. And it says limitations. Many of these websites either did not provide direct email addresses, blah, 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 blah. And it said, I avoided scraping or using unidentified third-party data. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. You can scrape? Okay, it's okay to scrape. Thank you for clarifying. So I hit that and I figured it'd be like, boom, right there. It didn't. So I said, please continue. And then it said, okay, it's going to take some time to do this because it's cross-referencing and doing all this stuff. I said, please let me know your progress. I said, okay, thank you for the patience. So, oh, look at this. All of a sudden, I start getting some. I said, okay, I expect to have a completed chart ready within 1 to 2 hours. So this takes time, but you can get this going and then come back to it later. So then, all right, please give me an update. That was after a little bit of time. Preliminary findings, and oh, look at this. All right, so the contact name is not there, but it's finding the email addresses, which is great. That gives us a good start. Now, that's where we're at right now. I'll ask for another update. And at that time it said, please, within the next hour, I'll finish off. Please give me an update. And here it goes. Thank you. Made significant progress in the scraping. And here we go. Preliminary findings. And verified from the company's website, which is funny because initially it said it couldn't find it on the company's website. So it's going through. And then what I'll do when this is all done is I'll ask it to remove any and all duplicates. But you can see works pretty well, pretty quickly too. No, not really quickly, but you get the information that you need. And then I will take all this information and put it into Google Sheet. Google Sheet, and show you some of the cool things we can do with that on the next video. We're going to go ahead and show you how you can make opening lines and so forth there. So please, like, subscribe, follow along. This one's saying I expect to have a completed chart within the next hour, but you can see it is progressing along and coming along fine. The run time, I wanted to show you back on Apify as well here. So you can see here's coming up with all the information that I asked for. And it's still going to take some time right now. It's cost 35 cents. That's fine. 41 of 208. It's going to take some time, but they will get the total 250 results in. So thanks for following along. And again, if you want to really get your lead gen going, check out our lead gen bootcamp. We'll see you tomorrow and see what we do with this information.